Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one of the topic that is 11 parts basically kids is getting divided. That means from this all incidents basically it is confirmed that basically why the 11 parts are basically getting divided. Why the 11 parts basically are divided. So one of the person told that basically same way basically the USA plane basically are getting crashed. So it might possible that Indian plane also basically might be getting crashed. Then he told us yes, basically Indian plane are also basically might be getting crashed. Basically, that also basically 100%, 98% might be getting crashed. Basically, might be getting crashed. But in which mountain basically that need to find basically. Then basically one of the person told that basically one of the person told that this basically that is this. Microsoft got how many words? 35 words. Then he told that yes. Body parts got head, heart, leg. 200 people got 100 countries. This group told that basically you can create the words. Doctors of all body parts experts are connected. These all are the population basically. From this basically the Microsoft people also basically might be there basically. Then one of the person basically asked the question basically when you are going to start this basically. Highest earthquake basically in Hindustan basically, that is India basically. So like this basically things basically, but this basically mostly basically might be started also long before basically, because from 2001 basically the plane crash is going basically. That means this is started basically of the software industry also basically. That is 100% sure. That means one of the person told that basically the software people basically who are working basically in the USA or UK basically or in India basically, the people basically are coming from the USA UK basically, they really are basically human or basically they are human clones basically. Then when the person told that yeah, that need to check basically whether they are human clone basically or really the human basically, because most of people that people only basically might be getting crash. Most of people that people only basically might be getting crash. Possibilities basically, possibilities are basically there, possibilities are basically there. Then basically one of the person told that Accenture basically, how many word basically Accenture has got. Then he told that basically this is basically not bigger than the Microsoft. So they might be got some words basically from Microsoft basically. That possibilities are there, and from Java company, from COBOL company, from Pascal company, they might be got the some words basically. That possibility is because they will never get the direct word basically, because they are not creating the base software basically, they are creating the software basically in which basically they are working in the base software basically. So they might be getting the words basically from the Cognitor also basically might be same. Infosys also basically might be same. TCS also basically might be same. TCS story basically we have already discussed. SAP basically also people says that it is of Maharashtrian person basically. People says basically, अब really it is correct or basically that need to check basically. That SAP is of Maharashtrian people or basically. Cap Gemini basically also people says that basically that is also one of the MNC company basically. Then basically IBM is very old company. So this is also basically base company. So this group also basically might be getting data directly basically. That is the direct word basically. But this group basically that are Cap Gemini. This group basically might be getting words basically from SAP, Microsoft, according to this server basically they purchase basically. According to the server they purchase, and how basically server basically gets connects, that basically we have already discussed. about the server basically, history basically, how business development officer basically dumps the data and how basically the each and every things basically are connected. Text box equal to buildings, and in text box basically how many words they have got. So these each and every things basically are connected. So another person told that software industry is connected up to very deep level basically. So this group basically might be getting words from Java, Microsoft, SAP, COBOL, Pascal. But this group basically might be getting directly basically. Or basically might be possible that basically this group also basically might be getting data from Pascal or COBOL or basically from the C++ or C. And one story basically we have already saw basically uh, that is of VC++ basically, that is actually banned in front of the world basically, but they were basically damaging the each and every body parts. For example, so one person told that Sunil, your head basically was damaged. Really basically that is not damage basically. Have you ever tracked basically the VC++ are damaging that basically? Then they told that basically that need to check here basically whether the VC++ has damage or not. That need to check basically. Then basically Sunil R. Nair told that I will let you know basically VC++. Then you can just imagine basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.